Alright guys, this is just a really quick video sample here. We're going to be doing a comparison very briefly between the AT2020 and the MXL 990 here. This is strictly going out to the Nathan V. This is going to be an unlisted video that I'm going to post in Discord just for him because he deserves it. So we're just going to do a quick side-by-side here. I'm going to blur it out. I'm not going to tell you what microphone we're using for each test. I want you guys to decide whether or not mic A or mic B is the better one, what you think you like more, and we'll go from there. So here we go. And here we go. We are currently talking with microphone A. This is microphone A currently. We are currently talking with microphone A. Microphone A. I don't know how many times I can say microphone A, but I'm going to keep saying microphone A. And now we're on microphone B. Microphone B. Microphone B. I'm just trying to say it. B has a little bit more of a plosive in it, so I'm a little curious on how that's going to come out, but there's your sample again. Back to microphone A. We're going to do a quick plosive thing here just so you can kind of see, and I'm going to do Peter picked pickles from Paul's patch. Microphone B. Peter picked pickles from Paul's patch. Microphone A. Peter picked pickles from Paul's patch. Microphone B. Peter picked pickles from Paul's patch. That's just a really simple. We're going to figure out how that goes. And there we go. I want to make sure that Nathan sees this, and I want him to comment and tell me which microphone he thought was A, which microphone he thought was B, and then we will decide which one is the better sounding one, potentially, or maybe not. Maybe they sound identical. Maybe we don't know. But we're going to find out. AT2020, MXL 990, two wonderful microphones, both right in the same price range. So let's figure it out. Comments as soon as you see this.